Imagine creating product review videos without ever buying the product, or even holding it in your hand. Sounds unbelievable, right? But thanks to AI, it's not only possible, it's actually super easy. There's a powerful tool that lets you create ultra-realistic digital avatars that can hold and showcase any product, using just a single photo. Many YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagram creators are using it to pump out daily content, grow faster, and earn through affiliate links and brand deals, all without ever showing their face or recording a thing. Even e-commerce and Shopify brands are jumping on board to create ad videos. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how this tool works and how you can use it to make professional quality product review videos in less than 5 minutes. So first things first, you need to head over to Jog AI. And don't worry, I've dropped the link for you in the description below. Now, once you sign up, you'll land on a dashboard that looks something like this. From here, just go to the product to avatar section. Yep, right there. Now, the first step is to upload your product photo. It should be in JPG or PNG format, and yeah, keep the file size under 10 MB. That's important. Also, they've added some useful guidelines here, so if you want your final avatar to look super realistic, I'd recommend checking those out. Okay, now I'm just gonna hop over to Amazon real quick and look for a product image. Let's say I go with this one. I'll just download it and upload it right here. As you can see, the AI is automatically removing the background. Super smooth. Next up, you get to choose your AI avatar. And trust me, these avatars look crazy realistic. Like, at first glance, you'd probably think it's an actual human. So I'm gonna scroll through and pick one that looks good. All right, got it. Now, just adjust the product in the avatar's hand. Make sure it looks natural. You can move it around a bit if needed. Once you're happy with the positioning, go ahead and hit enter, and boom! Jog AI has created 3 product avatars for me, and all of them are holding the product perfectly. Honestly, it looks pretty awesome. And here's the cool part. If you're not totally satisfied with how it looks, you can hit regenerate and it'll give you 3 fresh versions instantly. Super handy, right? So I'll just pick the one I like the most and then hit create product avatar, and we're done. So yeah, this is step 3. And the first thing we need to do here is choose a model. You'll see there are 4 different models available. I'm gonna go with Motion 3.0. Why? Because it gives you excellent quality, more dynamic motion, and it's honestly one of the fastest generation models out there. Plus, the results just look super realistic. All right, once the model is set, now comes the fun part, adding emotion to your avatar. You can choose from options like calm, relaxed, smiling, excited, and a few others. So just think about the vibe of your video. For example, if it's for social media, I'd say go with something like confidence to keep the energy up. Okay, now finally, let's add a voiceover. This part is really important because your voice should match the character's personality and emotion. And yeah, make sure it sounds natural. To make things easier, you can use the filters to quickly find the right voice. It'll save you a lot of time. All right, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Sounds like a good fit. Once the voice is set, just hit generate, and that's it. The product avatar video will start rendering. It usually takes less than a minute, so not too bad. And boom, the video is ready. Let's hit play and check it out.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jog AI. Just type your script to get started.
Wow, looks amazing, right? Now here, you'll see the option for AI Writer. So I'm just gonna click on that. This is where you need to enter some keywords related to your product, and the tool will generate a full script for you. Like here, I'll type, write an ad copy to promote AEO American Eagle Surf perfume. Then hit generate. And boom! Within a few seconds, the AI creates a nice little ad copy or script that you can use. I'll go ahead and apply it here. All right, now, if you want to add subtitles, you can simply enable that from this section. And if you feel like changing the voiceover, yeah, that can be done too. Just select the one you like. Once that's done, click on Generate, give your file a name, choose your aspect ratio, and finally hit Render. The rendering usually takes about a minute, so just hang in there. Nothing to worry about, okay? The video is now ready. Now, let's say you want to re-edit the video. Maybe make some changes. Just click on the 3 dots, then hit Edit as New. Here, you can swap out the voiceover, change the subtitle style, add some extra text if you want, and yes, even background music. Once you're happy with all the changes, just hit render again, and your newly edited video will be generated. All right, you can see here that the subtitles now look way better than before. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to translate this ad video into another language, just click on the 3 dots and then hit translate. At this point, make sure the original language is set to auto detect, and then select your target language. Let's go with Hindi for now. You can also choose a different output voice if you'd like. Just make sure the lip sync and dynamic duration options are ticked. You can also translate the subtitles if you want. Once everything looks good, just hit submit for translation, and that's it. In just a few moments, your video will be fully translated into Hindi.
एई अमेरिकन ईगल सर्फ परफ्यूम के साथ अनंत गर्मियों की लहर को पकड़े। धूप में चूमे हुए साइट्रस, नमकीन समुद्री हवा और गर्म चंदन की ताजगी भरी मिश्रण।
Honestly, I think Jog AI did a really solid job here. Pretty impressive. So yeah, as you just saw, this tool lets you easily create product videos, fully customize them, and even translate them into different languages, all in just a few clicks. I hope you found this tool and all its features useful. If you did, the link to Jog AI is right below in the description. Feel free to check it out. And before you go, there's a flash sale going on right now where you can save up to 50% off, so don't miss out. And hey, if you want to create a realistic AI avatar just like mine, make sure to watch this video right here.